all who are with us here today, whether you're on our Zoom feed or Facebook. We appreciate you. My name is Randy Carroll. I am the channel manager here at Chime Technologies. Today on the line, we've got Tyler Auerbecker. Hopefully I didn't butcher that. He is the founder of Dippidi and has had a long history in the sales and marketing world, as diverse as working for the Tampa Bay Bucks, as much as we may feel bad for him there, all the way to actually working with some of our close friends over at Curator. So been around a lot of great people, has a lot to bring to the table. And today, what we're going to do is take a deep dive into developing your own MBA free of tuition. All right. So MBA, marketing, branding, and advertising. Tyler is going to talk to us about what exactly you can do from home in order to develop your brand, your marketing, your advertising, etc. He's going to show us a little bit about what they do at Dippidi for those of you who may have more money than time. And ultimately, everyone's going to get to walk away from this with a free 90-day layout of what they should be doing for their marketing. So without any further ado, I'll hand it over to Tyler. Thanks so much for being here.
Yeah, of course. Thank you so much for having me, Randy. I'm excited to share some perspective and some context here. You know, as you guys know, it's very important to build your own brand. And I'm going to go through some direct examples and some insights and some metrics for you guys to not only hopefully get some good takeaways, but actually execute on what you learned today. You're going to go away with an actual template to use to build quarterly game plans on your own that you can do with your team, by yourself if you like. But really, it's important that you guys have a game plan and a structure to follow. That's the first step. So I'm going to kind of go through exactly what we do for our clients here at Dippidi. We work with a handful of clients all across the country on these exact efforts, these strategies. So we have proven results, and we have these philosophies that I think you guys are going to get some benefit from here. So I'm just excited. And as we move along, I will have like 10 or 15 minutes towards the end for Q&A. So feel free to drop in any questions along the way. I know, Randy, you're going to interject here and there. Feel free as well, so I can dive a little bit deeper on something in particular. But I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to share my screen, and then I'll be bouncing around between that and some examples. So
perfect. And so what y'all just heard was that you were going to walk away from today with actual, tangible next steps, right? This is not a fluff webinar. This is not a sales webinar. This is take what you learned from today and implement it in your business, and you'll see results, right? So at the end of the day, there's no excuse to walk away with this with nothing, right? What we're going to go through today is actionable, and I'm excited to see Tyler get started. So
yeah,